Good afternoon to everyone. The 7th class students are doing the activity about human heart. So, what is your name, beta? So, tell me first of all, what is the deoxygenated blood?
Deoxygenated blood. The blood which carries CO2 to the heart through the veins.
Yes. What is oxygenated blood?
Oxygenated blood. Oxygenated. The blood which carries oxygen towards the body parts.
Okay, beta. Tell me what is the function of heart?
Heart. This is the heart.
Yes.
Deoxygenated blood enter into the superior vena cava. After he move to the right auricle. After
Yes.
right auricle, help of the right auricle move to the bicuspid wall. Help of the bicuspid wall, right ventricle. Move into the right ventricle. After this bicuspid wall is closed.
Yes.
After deoxygenated blood move to the pulmonary artery.
Yes.
After he have lungs, the lungs take out deoxygenated blood. They have to give oxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, oxygenated blood enter into the pulmonary veins. After they enter into the veins, this is left auricle, enter into the left auricle. After bicuspid wall, help of the bicuspid wall enter into the left ventricle. This is the after closed bicuspid wall. After this move to the aorta. Aorta will give to the blood towards the body parts.
So, how many chambers are present in our heart?
There are four chambers, two auricle, two ventricle.
So, which can carry oxygenated blood towards the body parts? Which can carry oxygenated blood towards the body parts?
Pulmonary artery.
Artery. Okay. What is the veins? Downside?
Can carry deoxygenated blood towards the body parts.
Okay. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay. What is your name, beta? Which class you study now? Okay. Tell me, beta. What is the deoxygenated blood?
Deoxygenated blood, the blood which carries CO2 to the heart, to the veins.
Okay. What is oxygenated blood?
Oxygenated blood, the blood which carries oxygen towards the body parts.
So tell me function about the heart.
This is the heart. With the help of the superior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood comes into the right auricle.
Yes.
The right auricle have because white way, the
Tricuspid wall.
The deoxygenated blood comes into the right ventricle. After it is closed. After is going to pulmonary artery. After they have lungs. The lungs can diffuse deoxygenated blood and give oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood can
Enters into.
enters into the pulmonary veins. The pulmonary, with help of pulmonary veins, the oxygenated blood comes into the left auricle.
Very good.
The left auricle have bicuspid wall. The bicuspid wall help of the oxygenated blood comes into the left auricle.
With help of bicuspid wall, the blood enters into the
Left auricle.
left auricle.
Left ventricle.
So bicuspid wall also involves the prevent back flow of blood. Yes. Next.
After we go to the systematic aorta. The aorta, with help of the aorta, the blood goes into the body parts.
Okay. What is artery, beta?
Artery can carry oxygenated blood towards the body parts.
What is veins?
Veins can carry deoxygenated blood towards the body parts.
Very good.